Are you craving the ultimate snack or looking for a unique appetizer to serve at your next party? Then keep watching. You're gonna love this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, as you know, it is National Pickle Month, and today we are going to be making, as I said, the ultimate snack or a great appetizer for your next upcoming party. Today we're going to be making Bacon Cheeseburger Pickle Poppers. Yep, that's what I said. This is an absolutely delicious recipe, so I'm gonna stop talking, turn the camera around, go over all the ingredients, and we're gonna get started. And my friends, so I have some bacon here. I'm gonna use about 3 slices of that. I have 3 kosher dill pickles that I sliced in half, and excuse me, I have the hiccups, and removed the center, and I just put it in a bowl because I'm gonna chop that up and add it. I have some mustard. I'm so sorry, I thought I got rid of the hiccups. I have some mustard, Worcestershire sauce, Mexican cheese. I have some chopped onion, dried onion, excuse me. You can use regular chopped onion if you want. I'm just using that. I have some granulated garlic. You can use garlic powder, black pepper, some seasoned salt, cream cheese. I'm going to use about maybe, excuse me, 2 ounces of the cream cheese, and I have a half a pound of bacon. And friends, that is, or half a pound of bacon. I have a half a pound of ground beef. Oh my goodness, I probably should just refilm this, but you see what happens behind the scenes, friends. Sorry. Anyway, this is all the ingredients. Let's get started. Alright, my friends, I have a little bit of salt in my pan. I always salt my pan when I cook ground beef. I'm going to head and let it heat up for a few seconds. And I apologize for the hiccups, friends. I literally, after I shown the ingredients, I prepped a lot of stuff and waited, and they just are not going away. Excuse me. So I'm going to do my best. All right, we're going to go ahead and dump in our half a pound of ground beef. Just break that up a little bit. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and add in half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, half a teaspoon of seasonal. You can use salt if you want, it's okay. I'm going to do a little bit of pepper to taste. I'm going to do a tablespoon of onion. I'm going to do a teaspoon of mustard. Go. And just a dash or 2 of Worcestershire sauce. Let's get that mixed up well. Smells good already, friends. All right, I'm going to let that cook for a tiny bit before I put my pickles in there, and then we'll finish it up. All right, my friends, I think our ground beef is good. All right, we're going to take this over to the sink and drain all that excess fat off. So let's head on over. Alright, my friends, I just wanted to quickly mention, I have some foil in a bowl with my little strainer. I had been straining my ground beef in the sink and letting it go down the drain. I never do that with anything else, only the ground beef. And I never realized I done that until a subscriber mentioned it to me, and it said, you know, that's not a good idea. And I'm like, what? It did not dawn on me that I was letting it go down the drain. I don't do it with bacon grease. I don't do it with anything else. But for some strange reason, I was doing it with this, and I didn't even realize I was doing it. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. So thank you to my subscriber that brought it to my attention. Because that grease can clog your sinks up. Thank goodness it has not happened to me, but I do want to mention that, so I'm very grateful that they brought that to my attention. Alrighty, now let's head over to the counter and finish making this. Alright, my friends, so I just turned my oven on. I put it to 425, so it is heating up now. I have 2 ounces of cream cheese in here, softened, and I have a cup of Mexican cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and dump in my ground beef. And then we're going to mix this all together. And y'all know I love my cheese. Smells so good. Alrighty, my friends, all mixed together. Now we're going to pull my pickles over. I did take 3 slices of bacon and cut them in half. And then we're going to go ahead and stuff our pickles. And that's why I like putting this cheese inside the meat to melt it, so it holds it all together. See how nice it holds it together? And you don't have to worry about it like falling apart. Alright. Oops. My pickles are a little on the small side. There's enough in there probably for about 3 more. But my pickles, as you can see, are on the small side. Okay. I have my tray over here already. My bacon is cut. Cut it in half. Now, if your pickles are larger, then obviously you're going to want a whole piece of bacon. Okay. We're just wrapping that around our pickle. Yum, yum, yum. These are going to be so, so good. So excited for lunch today. Go. 2 more. Now this pickle's a tad bit bigger than my bacon. Whoops, knocked that right on out. Alrighty, let me quickly wash my hands and then we'll get these in the oven. Alright, my friends, we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven now. It is up to temperature. I'm going to put it in, we're going to start about 17 minutes and then check it. Alright, my friends, I did have to put it back in for about 3 more minutes, so we went for a total of 20. Oh, delicious. Oh, I wish I would have wrapped the whole bacon. It looks like my bacon shrunk up big time. That bacon really shrunk. Next time I'm going to do a whole slice of bacon. Let me go ahead, let this cool down a little bit, and then we'll do our taste test. Alright, my friends, so I cut up a little piece here. Because it's still pretty hot and I don't want to burn myself. I think I'm going to cut back a little bit on the seasonal. I think with the bacon and all, it's a little bit salty. It still is delicious, but I'm going to cut back a tiny bit on the salt, and I'll make note on the screen when I'm mixing it, and also make note in the recipe at the end. But other than that, friends, this is absolutely delicious. This is pretty much how I make my stuffed those little tiny sweet peppers, the red, orange, and yellow ones. This is pretty much how I do it. Instead, I don't wrap it in bacon, but the ingredients are pretty much the same, and it is absolutely delicious. Also, I am going to put a link in the description box. I saw a recipe for a smashed burger sauce, and I think this would be absolutely delicious dipped in that sauce. I was going to make it in this video, but it has some ketchup in there and there's a little bit more sugar in there than what I really want, and I'm the only one that's going to eat it, so I thought, no, I'll end up using all the dip. so I decided not to make it, but I'm going to put it in the description box, the link to it, because I really think you guys will enjoy dipping this in that. So with all that said, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.